Hi, always look behind a cabinet to see how well it's made. My name is Broun. This is just to let you know that I'm giving my second live stream mini lecture on designing in wood on Sunday the 24th of March at 9 o'clock. I hope to be speaking for about 15 minutes and then take your questions, answer them if I can. I shall be revealing some of the secrets behind 2 or 3 of my designs. I mean, you can see this one, the sketch here is very different to the finished solution. So you never arrive at the solution, you work through the process. So I hope to help you with your own designs. This is a digital touchscreen jukebox I made a few years ago. So there are a couple of videos that accompany this. So it'll be quite a short lecture, and I look forward to seeing you on Sunday. I mean, it's really about time you started designing your own stuff, and I'm going to help you do it. 9 o'clock GMT time.